In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Taobao app to English. 2025, step by step. First, open the Taobao app and make sure you're logged in. Being signed in ensures you can access your profile and the settings we need. If your screen looks a little different from what I describe, don't worry. Taobao updates its layout often, but the buttons and icons we're using are usually in the same places. Head to My Taobao, which is the tab in the bottom right corner of the screen. It's your profile area and may show the label Wo de Taobao. This is where Taobao keeps most personal and app-wide settings. On your profile page, look to the top right corner for the settings menu. Depending on your version, it will appear as either 3 dots or a small gear icon. Tap that to open the settings. If you don't see it right away, scroll a bit or try tapping the 3 dots. Both lead to the same place. Inside the settings, choose General Settings labeled Tongyong. Think of this section as the hub for how the app behaves, including language, display, and basic preferences. We'll use it to change the interface language. Next, find and tap Language, shown as Yuyan. This page controls the language used throughout the app's menus and buttons. It's the quickest way to switch away from the default Chinese interface. Now select either English, which may appear as Ying 1, or International version, labeled Guoji Ban. Depending on your app build, you might see English as a direct option, or you might see International mode or Global version. Any of these options are designed to give you an English interface or a global-friendly layout. Tap your preferred option to apply the change. To finish, fully close the Taobao app and reopen it so the language setting takes effect. A quick restart ensures all screens refresh in the new language. If you reopen and still see Chinese, close it again and make sure the setting saved before trying once more. After restarting, most of the interface, things like menus, buttons, and the cart, should now appear in English. Keep in mind that product titles and seller descriptions can still be in Chinese because they're written by individual merchants. That's normal and doesn't mean the language setting failed. If you don't see English or International version in your language list, update Taobao to the latest version from your app store and try again. Also, double check you're in the profile tab before searching for the settings icon.